we'll start with the MS Access. यहाँ पे पहले हम न्यू डेटाबेस में जाएंगे और ब्लैंक डेटाबेस यहाँ पे हम दे देते हैं कि 0771p library create. In first instance, you will find table 1. You just go for the design view. Here you will find home, create, external database, database tool, and data sheets. If you press home, this is all basic features. If you press create, you will find table option, form option, report option, and query wizard, and macro. Macro, table for the basic structure of a database. Form is a more visual effective and more dynamic in nature, data representation. Reports is all about the report generation, and query for complex data processing, and macro for repetitive work, right? So in first instance, we'll start from create, and in create, in table, it will automatically come a table, and in table, we'll go for the design view. So the first table we'll name book table. So, okay. In book table, we'll just delete it. We'll just delete this row. Yes. Then we'll put accession number. Accession number. And the data type will be number. Then document title. It will be text, but it will not be 255. It will be 120. Will be fine. Then author. Author. Here you take text, and 60 will be fine. 60 characters. Then it will come the publisher. In publisher, 100 will be fine. It will be text. Then place of publication, it will be text, and it will be 30. It will be sufficient. Then year of publication. Just it will be also number. Then call number. Call number will be text, and it will be maximum 20. Then after call number, we have to put the subject heading. Now in subject heading, again, you have to put the field size 60 maximum. That will be maximum. That will be fine. That will be. Now here you can see the accession number of this particular data is unique. That's why we'll keep accession number as a primary key. We'll just press on the primary key. So it's become a primary key. So our book data table has finished. Yes. Now we'll go for another data that is called a book table is fine. Now we'll rename is, we'll go for the design view, and in this, so before design view, it will ask the name of the table. Here you can put the name of the table will be member table. Member table. In member table, we just delete this one because we don't require this one. So member ID is the unique. So it will be numeric, number. Then name of the member, then addresses. It will be text, but you need to be 60 character will be fine in name. Address you can put 200. Then phone number. Phone number, you just press number. Then category. Here we have to put the lookup wizard because we need not to create. So before go that, what we need to do, we need to create another table for the data element into the. So we create another one here. Just press table 1, name the table 1 and student. Then delete it. Then into student teacher. Researcher. It is table 1. Just yes, save as a table 1 or category. Will be fine. Now here, when you are creating the lookup wizard, just click on the lookup wizard. It will ask for the another table which you need to look at. So category you have to select, then next, then take only the field. Sorry. Take only the field. Next. It should be on field will be ascending order. Next. Next. Finish. Yes. So that has done. So member ID here important. So you just click on the member ID and database to go to right. Go to the design and press on primary key. So member ID will be the primary key. Now just close it. Once it close, it will ask for the saving. So you have created right now 3 table, member, book. Now we have to create another table. The name of the table will be, you just press on that. This is table 1. You just press design view, then name it loan table. And here you will find you need not to keep any primary key over here. Just delete that row and you just write accession number. It will be number because in accession number in book table we have create number. Here you can put accession number and then here member ID. In member ID again you have to put the number because in member table you have created member ID as a number. Now member ID has done, then date of issue. So here you have to put the date. Now what will be the format of the date? So it will be medium date, input mask, nothing, only default value, only in default value you have to put is equal to date, then circular bracket. If you put this one, so automatically the current date will come into the date of issue field. Now date of return. So here, again, you have to put date and time. Then it will be, of course, the medium size. And then default value will be date, circular bracket, plus how many days you are going to issue a books to a student or a library user. You just press 5 or 7. If you put 5, so it will be for the 5 days. Then when it will be fine, then just close this one. So, and save it. It is done. If you put open loan table, it will show you this kind of data. Now, after completing table, you have to create form. So the best way to create a form from the form wizard. So just press form wizard and don't take this one, take first one. One by one will go. Take book table from here. Here you can take table and queries only. So you have to take book table right now. We are create a form over there and just click on yes, 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 or you can choose different style from here. So, and finish it. Once you finish it, it will appear like that. So here you can, by right clicking on design view, you can create button on it. So I am creating some button on it. Record operation, go to next record, next record, next, finish. Then again, you can create another button and record operation, go to previous record, next, previous record, next, finish. And here you can create another record, another button, record operations, save record, next, save record, next, finish. And you can do another operation over here. You just click on that form operation, close form, next, close. Just don't, just close. So you can set on, right, that way you can do that. So your book table is appear like that. Book form is like that. If you press close, it will come out. Then come to the member table. So create form wizard, take member table, take all the data, next, take another yes, this will be fine, next, finish it. So this is your member table. Here in member table, you can put some of the button over here. You can put over here the same, next record, next, finish. Again, you can put over here previous record, next, previous record, next, finish. Here you can do another important data operation, save records, next, save record, next, finish. Here you can do another important form operation, close form. Besides this, you can create as many as button you require for the record operation. This is up to you, but it's a very short process. And this is the way your member table form is ready. Now just close form, it has come. Then loan table, go to create, then form wizard, select here the loan table. Set all the data in the right side, next, we'll find different Uh, this will be good. So we'll finish it. This is your loan. Now, here also you can keep some button. Just put over here. Go to next record. Click dot. Finish it. Then here you can put another previous record, next, previous record, next, and finish it. Then you just drag down this one, it will increase automatically. You just put over here. You can keep the close form operation. That will be close this one. So it will be sufficient for that. So you have 3 button bar over here. As you require, you can create more button on that. So this has done. So your 3 form has done. Now you have to understand only issue and returning is not important. You have to find out some books over there. Who is taking books and when they are going to return it. So these calculation need to be taken. So that can be done only through the query. But before query, we have to set some kind of relation between the table. So here, if you put database, if you click database tools, here you can see relationship icon. You just click on the relationship icon. Already the category and table has created some relation. Beside this, you have to put other tables. So just place on show table and book, add, loan, add. Just close it. Just shift book, right side of loan, and create a relation. Here, member ID, in member table, member ID and loan ID, and member ID in loan table, member ID are related. That's why you create a relation on that. And accession number in book and accession number in loan is unique. So just create on that. So it has done. Just save it. Just now it has done.